could pretend it's the morning. But we all know that that would be a big fucking lie. It is not the morning. It is nearly 4 o'clock in the afternoon and I have not filmed anything today because I am shit. The kids went to Ben's this morning. He picked them up at like 11ish. I have just dicked around for the last 3 hours, but I am going into the city. I'm going to meet my friend and we're going to play pool and get drunk and it's going to be super fun. I can't wait. Yeah. I'll show you what I'm wearing. Obviously a beanie hat. Oh, you stay there. Dungarees, long sleeved bodysuit, pingy bra, because it's my favourite. Bands, because they're comfy. My fucking tattoo hurts so much. Like, I can't show you because I've got dungarees on. But the bit that is like there on the inside, shitting hell, it's sore. And all my trousers are just rubbing it, but these dungarees are like the softest ones, so they're not too bad, but fuck me sideways, it hurts. I need to get a taxi from my house, literally like a mile down the road to the next village, because the next village has buses and my fucking village doesn't have a bus. So I'm gonna do that. I changed my earring this morning because that was the one I had pierced and I had like a horrible little doodad in it, like a post, and I hated it, so I just put a rainbow septum ring in it because that was all I had and I really wanted to change it. I think I'm gonna go and see my mum tomorrow because I've got to go and pick the kids up tomorrow. I'm gonna pick them up in the afternoon. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go and see her and then get them on the way home. Other than that, I don't know what I want to do. There's a guy I follow on Instagram called Barney who does music and he is playing tonight, but it's like 40 minutes away. So I don't know, if he was in the city, I'd be trying to see him tonight because my friend Catherine loves him and she got me onto him and he's so good. And I'd really like to go and see him live. But yeah, I have not been out in the city in fucking years, like years. And I've not eaten it. I need to have nugs first. I need to have some nugs before I do anything. We'll get into the city, have some nugs, and then drink beer and play pool. Because otherwise I'm going to drink beer, vomit, and then have to come home, which is not what we want. So any footage from this point on is going to be filmed on my phone. And I cannot guarantee the quality of it. So get over it. And I might even not do any more. So if I don't, I love you and I'll see you tomorrow. But if not, enjoy Drunk Lucy because... yeah. I did not film. It is 12:30. I've just got home. I am drunk. We went and played pool and I lost a lot, even though he did try and help me win by playing left-handed occasionally. I still lost every single game that we played for an hour. And then we went to some pubs. Oh, I've got no drink up here. I also want a pizza, but nowhere delivers a pizza. I want a pizza. We had nugs and we went to the Mischief and I had a Skittles drink, which I've not had in years. I'm going to put a picture of it in here and it is as fucking vile as it looks. And then I had all the beers and then I got a bus home. Oh, I'm so cold. Oh. I got a bus from the city to the next village along and then I got a taxi from here to home. And da-da, I'm here. I'm going because I am. I will talk to you tomorrow. And I love you. Bye.